This year presenting our 4 core technologies together with an amazing sales team. That is our VLTs, that is our pressure sensors, high pressure pumps and our energy recovery devices. I'm Anders SWRO. I'm proud to be here in Dubai at the International Desalination Conference 2019.
I'm Claudio Giancotti and I'm very proud to be here in Dubai. Here we have the opportunity to meet all our customers coming from all over the world.
Especially I find it really interesting that we have an innovation corner this year where we are showing some of the newest launches that we're going to do over the next couple of years, being monitoring solutions and also new energy recovery devices for larger SWRO plants.
We develop and discuss the best solution for the desalination project for now and for the future to have the real best sustainability technology in the world.